Hey gearheads! Want stopping power that matches the muscle under the hood? Today we're talking about the CPP 12-inch rear disc brake kit, engineered for classic GMX and F-body cars, like your 62-67 Chevy 2 Nova and 67 Camaro. This kit replaces old drum brakes with true performance rear discs, giving you smoother stops, better fade resistance, and confidence when driving or racing. No more mushy pedal or excessive heat buildup after long runs. CPP designed this kit to bring modern braking to classic cars. The 12-inch drilled and slotted rotors increase surface area and airflow on heat cycles, helping reduce fade and improve wet weather performance. You get stainless steel brake hoses for a firmer pedal feel and reduced expansion under pressure. Durable powder-coated calipers resist corrosion and add a classic look behind your wheels. Yes, parking brake functionality is included so you don't lose that everyday usability. This kit is a direct bolt-on for 10 or 12-bolt rear ends on 5-inch by 4 and 3/4-inch pattern cars. It installs right at the axle flange where your drum setup used to be. CPP designed this for enthusiasts, meaning minimal modifications. Straightforward bolt-on installation and hardware that's built to last. If you're tired of drum brake limitations and ready for a rear disc upgrade that performs every time, the CPP 12-inch rear disc brake kit is a killer option. See you next time, and check out classic performance products for parts built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.